Absolutely beautiful detached 4-bedroom home in the heart of Ajax. Perfect for first-time home buyer or investors. Great growth potential. Hardwood floors throughout main and second floors. Quartz kitchen counters, stainless steel appliances, granite counters in all bathrooms. Master bedroom walkout to balcony. California shutters. Open concept basement is professionally finished with laminate floors and pot lights. Second floor laundry room. Direct entrance to garage. Extras: stainless steel fridge, stainless steel stove, stainless steel dishwasher, stainless steel microwave, washer, dryer, central air, all electric light fixtures, California shutters, garage door opener with remote, hot water tank rental.